Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey back in time, delving into a classic film from 1971 that explores the captivating evolution of American architecture. We'll be uncovering the stories behind the structures, the innovations that shaped them, and the societal shifts they represent. If you enjoy this deep dive into history and design, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and thanks for your incredible support. Our journey begins in the foundational years. Imagine a fledgling nation where architecture wasn't just about shelter, but about asserting identity. Early American buildings reflected practicality while adapting European roots to a new continent. We see the influence of Georgian and federal styles, characterized by symmetry and a sense of emerging national pride. These weren't just homes, they were statements of intent. The 19th century brought the Industrial Revolution, transforming the landscape. Factories and railways demanded new materials. Cast iron and steel became the backbone of structures, paving the way for taller buildings. It was a time of rapid expansion, where the grid plan became a hallmark of urban planning, reflecting a desire for order amidst explosive growth. In the early 20th century, architecture mirrored confidence. The skyscraper truly came into its own as a symbol of corporate power. This period gave birth to Art Deco, characterized by geometric precision and a celebration of modernity. Buildings became works of art, adorned with intricate details and daring ornamentation, looking confidently towards the future. Mid-century ushered in Modernism. There was a drive for functionality and a rejection of excess. Glass and concrete shaped clean lines and open spaces. We also see the massive boom in suburbs. The emphasis shifted to practical, standardized designs, reflecting a democratic ideal in housing. Design aimed to serve the many, not just the few. Technological leaps were the silent architects. Elevators and climate control changed how we live and build. This film invites us to see buildings as living testaments to human endeavor. Every brick tells a story about the people, their era, and their vision. It's a visual history book where every beam represents the human spirit. Architecture is never static. It's a breathing testament to who we are. I hope this look at 1971's perspective gave you a new appreciation for the world around us. Thank you for watching and being a part of this journey. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Your support truly means the world to us.